Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage the accessibility and translations section on your account on Instagram easy and quickly. So first of all, enter Instagram, then go to your profile section and click on these three lines and then scroll down to this section, accessibility and translations. Click on it. Now as you see here, we have many options. Translations, for example, you can turn this on or off. So if you want to translate text on Reels, also we have this captions. So here always show closed the captions and only show translated closed the captions, so do whatever you want. And here we have the dark mode, so you can turn this on or off, so do whatever you want, it's up to you. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.